Yes, that massage was remedial. We had a lot of fun last night, didn't we, David, with the Cupertino effect. But I was thinking, you know, if you applied the Cupertino effect to Cupertino, you might end up with cup of tea.
Or cappuccino.
Or cappuccino.
And that's when a word is approximated by a spell checker, and cappuccino is the word that we're looking at tonight. Now, in fact, it's the word that we looked at many moons ago, our very first episode.
I was going to say it was the very first episode, and if I remember rightly, that frothy head referred to the heads of Capuchin monks.
That's exactly right? You are listening. It's very impressive, Richard.
I was even then.
Well done. And that's so moving on from there, that's why it's called cappuccino, because of the hood. It's Italian for hood, cappuccio. And then to prove how embraced the word has become in the Australian culture is to look at the Australian language. Because we have now such thing as the cappuccino classes, which are the sort of idle social set who are given to a lot of talking and not much action.
So it actually has a kind of quite derogatory feel.
It does as well, a cappuccino course, which I had always presumed it was about how to be a barista. In fact, it's just, again, a pejorative term or a derogatory term for a course that is deemed as being lightweight, of no real sort of educational value. However, also, the real sign that cappuccino has been absolutely adopted by our language is all the variations of cappuccino.
Oh, but a cappuccino is a cappuccino.
Ah, now that is where you're wrong, Richard. You walk into any cafe and you will see on the blackboard the variations such as a muggercino or a skinny chino or a soy chino, which does worry me a little bit. Then you have the baby chino, also called the frother-chino, or a lovely variation is the bambino chino.
I'm never going to order one of those. Thank you, David. Let's have a look at our scores. Jonathan's on 7, Jacob is on 24, and we're heading for some more letters. And Jonathan, what would you like this time?
I'll start with the consonant, please.
Sure, let's start with M.
And another consonant.
R.
And one more, please.
P.
And let's have a vowel.
A.
And another vowel.
I.
And a consonant, please.
N.
A vowel.
E.
Consonant, please.
B.
And let's end with a vowel.
And lastly, I.
What an interesting mix. 30 seconds. How many for you, Jonathan?
I have a 7.
A 7 there, Jacob?
Just a 6.
What was your 6?
Impair.
And yours, Jonathan?
Brainer.
Brainer. And David, I mean, what a lovely thing. Mr. Payne.
Mr. Payne. That's right. Unfortunately, Jonathan, there's only one R in that mix, so brainer cannot accept taking us to impair, which actually is, to your benefit, Jacob, a good 6. I saw barman and then thought, hang on, why not use the bar in a 7 for mini bar?
Oh, very nice. Mini bar. Lovely word. Thank you, David, and 6 points to Jacob. Bad luck, Jonathan. Let's see what we can get out of the next letters. Jacob, please.
Thanks, Richard. Lily, could I please start with a vowel?
Yes, you can. Let's start with A.
Another vowel.
O.
Third vowel.
E.
And a consonant.
C.
Another consonant.
T.
A third.
N.
A fourth, please.
B.
A vowel.
And lucky last, A. Oh, no.
And we'll finish with a consonant, thank you.
And lucky last, R.
Finally there, 30 seconds. Well, Jacob, how many that time?
6, Richard.
And Jonathan?
And a 6.
Let's begin with yours.
Banter.
Yours, Jacob?
Boater.
Boater. Both good, David?
Solid 6s, well done. Now, interestingly, there is boat race there, adding the RACE, but there's also a full Monty.
Oh, another! Well done. What is it?
Well, let's see if we can go the whole week with a full Monty in every show. I'd love to do that.
I was just going to say, great to have one tonight after last night.
And the word is carbonate. C-A-R-B-O-N-A-T-E.
Well, you have added some fizz, so thank you, David. Beautifully done. But well done to Jacob and Jonathan, 6 points each. Let's return to the numbers now. And Jonathan, what combination?
I'll have 1 big one and 5 small ones, please.
Thanks, Jonathan. 1 large, 5 small. And the numbers 1, 5, 9, 3, 6, 25. And the target number is 382.
Let's chase it. Jonathan, how close?
I have 374.
374, so you are within the scoring area. Jacob?
382.
382, you are on target. Well done. How did you get there?
5 times 3 is 15.
5 times 3 is 15.
Times the 25 is 375.
5 the 25 is 375.
6 plus 1 is 7.
6 plus 1 is 7.
And add that on.
382. Well done.
What a great method. Well, Lily, did you do it differently or was that the way to go?
I did it the same concept, but I did it differently.
Oh, give us a variation.
The way I formed the 15 is adding the 6 and the 9. Multiplying that by 25 is 375. And then to get the remaining 7, 5 plus 3 minus 1, add that on, is 382.
Very nice as well. And well done to Jacob, 10 points. So Jonathan is on 13. Jacob, what a big score, 46 at this point. As we head into our second break and your second word mix, it's viral can. And the clue this time, auto amusement park. Back in a moment.